Good morning, students. This is the third video of the topic adjective. Last two videos में आपने adjectives के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखा था. But there is something we have to learn. जैसे today we will see differences in demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun plus possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. You must have noticed in the last video that there are 5 kinds of adjective. 2 of them are demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective. These two kinds अपने pronouns में भी पढ़े होंगे, possessive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. And now, let's be clear about them one by one. Read this pair of sentences carefully. This is my house. This house is mine. In the first, this word किसी noun यानी कि house को point out कर रहा है. In the second, this word उसी noun यानी कि house को point out कर रहा है जिसके पहले वो placed है. The words this, that, these and those act as demonstrative pronouns when they point out the noun for which they are used. This, that, these and those are demonstrative adjectives when they are placed before a noun. This, that, these and those, यही चारों वर्ड्स हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव दोनों में यूज करते हैं. डिफरेंस ये होता है कि डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन उस सेंटेंस में आए हुए किसी भी नाउन को पॉइंट आउट कर सकता है, बट डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव उन्हीं नाउन्स को इंडिकेट करते हैं जिनके पहले वो प्लेस्ड होते हैं. जैसे दिस इज माई हाउस में दिस हाउस को इंडिकेट कर रहा है एंड दिस हाउस इज माइन में दिस उसी नाउन यानी कि हाउस को इंडिकेट कर रहा है जिसके जस्ट पहले वो प्लेस्ड है. दैट इज हाउस. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, दैट इज माय डॉग, दैट डॉग इज माइन. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में दैट डॉग को इंडिकेट कर रहा है एंड सेकंड में भी दैट डॉग को ही पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है, बट इट इज प्लेस्ड जस्ट आफ्टर दैट. वन थिंग मस्ट बी रिमेम्बर्ड कि डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव में दिस, दैट, दीज एंड दोस के बाद कोई ना कोई नाउन जरूर आना चाहिए. जैसे दिस हाउस, दैट फ्लावर, these buses and those pots, etc. Now let's see some points to be noted. Number 1. This and that are used for singular noun. This और that का यूज हम करते हैं singular nouns के लिए. जैसे this house, that pen. Number 2. These and those are used for plural noun. These और those का यूज हम करते हैं plural nouns के लिए. जैसे these houses, those pens. This and these are used for nearby nouns. This और these का हम यूज करते हैं ऐसे nouns के लिए जो पास. जैसे this girl, these tables. That and those are used for far off nouns. जो चीजें हमसे दूर हो उनके लिए हम यूज करते हैं that और those का. जैसे that river, those mountains. Now let's be clear about possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Read the following dialogues. Please return my pencil. This is mine, not yours. Where is my pencil? This one is yours. The word mine and your are possessive pronouns. They are used in the place of nouns and tell us to whom something belongs. The word my is possessive adjective. It also tells us to whom something belongs. Only there are slight differences. Possessive adjectives are made of pronouns but are used before nouns as adjectives. जैसे in the first hour dialogue the girl says, please return my pencil. Here my is possessive adjective. Do you know why? Because my के just बाद noun आया है pencil. In the second the boy has said, this is mine, not yours. इसमें वर्ड्स माइन एंड योर्स दोनों हैं, बट इन दोनों के बाद कोई भी नाउन नहीं आया है, सो दे आर possessive pronouns. Students, look at the table below to be more clear about possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Also note it in your notebook. Now let's move to exercise. The question is, fill in the blanks with correct possessive adjectives or pronouns. The first sentence is, these stamps are dash. Options are my and mine. Here no noun is given after the blank. So we will write mine. Second is please pass dash book to him. My or mine. Here the blank is just before the noun book. तो हम possessive adjective fill करेंगे my. Third is she has lost dash sharpener, her or hers. Here also noun के just पहले blank है, तो यहाँ भी adjective ही fill करेंगे. That will be her. The fourth is this is dash pencil, your or yours. Here we will fill possessive adjective your. The last is the birds are looking for dash nests, their or theirs. Here also we will fill adjective their because इसके just बाद noun आया है nest. Now let's go and check the homework. The question is fill in the blanks with possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. And the sentences are here. Now hope you have gained enough knowledge. See you again in the next video. Bye.